Hi friends! Are you ready to spell some fun three-letter words about farm animals with me today? Let's visit the farm and see who we can find. First up, oink, oink. Who's rolling in the mud? Yes, a pig. Pigs love to splash, roll, and play in the mud to stay cool. Let's spell it together. P-I-G. Pig. Great job. Now look over there in the field. It's a cow. Cows eat lots of grass and give us milk to drink. Let's spell C-O-W. Cow. Well done. Next, we see a strong and fluffy ram. A ram is a boy sheep with big, curly horns. Let's spell R-A-M. Ram. Nice work. Listen, do you hear clucking? That's a hen. A hen is a grown-up female chicken that lays eggs. Let's spell H-E-N. Hen. You're doing amazing. And look, there's a tiny baby rabbit hopping by. That's called a kit. Baby bunnies are called kits, and they love to snuggle in soft hay. Let's spell K-I-T. Kit. Fantastic spelling. You did great spelling all 5 farm animals: pig, cow, ram, hen, and kit. See you next time for more spelling fun with Keena.